Hi, my name is Annette. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am touring London. Yeah! So, I want to do 4 locations. I don't think it's going to be possible really, but I will try my best. Okay, so I want to do the Millennium Bridge. I want to do St. Helens Place. I want to do Alton at London, and I also want to do the Science Museum. So maybe I should be able to make like 3 places or 2. I don't know. So basically the idea of this video is just to show you guys what it looks like, what to expect and all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in this video, let's go. So welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and if you're new here, you're welcome. So I talk about lifestyle, travel, beauty and more. Please do have to subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. Okay, so we are in Blackfriars, as you guys can see. This is Blackfriars Railway Bridge. Yes, and I'm just trying to show you guys what this part of London looks like. London has beautiful buildings, wonderful architecture. I mean, it's definitely somewhere you should definitely see. This is somewhere you should see if you're a tourist, if you love to explore. It's one of the most see places in London, the Millennium Bridge. Okay, so let me just give you guys, let me tell you a little about the Millennium Bridge. It's officially known as the London Millennium Footbridge. So we are heading there right now. So is also nicknamed the Wobbly Bridge. So it's a steel suspension bridge that connects Bankside to the City of London in London. Okay, so Bridge House Estates, a charity trust supervised by the City of London Corporation, owns and maintains this bridge. Okay, so construction began in 1998 and it first opened on June 10th, 2000. Okay, so the bridge connects Southwark Bridge to Blackfriars Railway Bridge. As you can see, I showed you Blackfriars just now, and its southern end is near the Globe Theatre, the Bankside Gallery, and the Tate Modern, while its northern end is near the City of London School, which is located beneath St. Paul's Cathedral. Here we go, the Millennium Bridge. Finally! Oh my god, I'm scared. God, I'm scared, guys. Oh my god. I'm scared.
Oh, mesmo?
I'm actually scared. I don't know if I will.
I just buy jar on it.
This is a lot for me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really scared. So you guys, as you can see, I'm made it finally. Oh my god, I made it. I could not really get nice pictures here because the sun really did keep on, you know. Down over here.
Me querían robar.
We have building standards for both.
Guys, you guys can see the number of people, the number of tourists here. A lot of them. So yeah, basically I couldn't get a nice picture here because of the weather. Maybe if I come here, later, I'll be able to get a good one. But of course, I have a long way to go, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, look at this. Yeah, so this is the view from the other side. Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I am done here at the Millennium Bridge, and if I see anything captivating on my way out, I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me see. So I also discovered this place. It's called Shakespeare Globe. So clearly, if you love Shakespeare, you should definitely check it out. I could not actually vlog inside, but it's a cool place to see, right? So guys, you won't believe this. I was unable to go to the other places I wanted to go to. I was unable to go to St. Helens Place. I was unable to go to Alternate London and the Science Museum. You guys will not believe this. Then also, my phone memory just ran out. So like, I'm very, very discouraged right now. So the only places I was able to cover London Bridge and also the Borough Market. So obviously, like when I passed through the London Bridge, I was just passing through and I saw a lot of, you know, cool places. Like London has a lot of amazing tourist attractions. In fact, I was asking a couple of people and they are like, oh, I'm not from here, I can't speak English, I don't speak English. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscription is absolutely free, and yeah, I have a birthday to attend. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.